everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service.
Oh, it's been a long day. Excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly.
Oh, hello everyone. We're at the playground today. I'm fixing this fence while the Mechs play. There, all fixed. Oh, there's lots of spare fence pieces left over, Tilly. Maybe I could use them elsewhere. Hi, Baby Truck. Now Baby Truck's here, how about you all play on something together? Oh, how about you go on the roundabout instead? Hop on. Not so fast, Baby Truck, or you'll... Okay, not the roundabout either. Maybe try the seesaw. Oh, what am I thinking? Not the seesaw! Rusty rivets! I've got you, Blue! Phew, that was a close one. Oh dear, there must be a way for everyone to play together. But how? Wait a minute. This fence and Blue's train set have given me a super fun idea. And it will be a way to use all our extra fence pieces, Tilly. The tool I need is a hammer. Gecko's Garage, time to fix! Line up those rivets, Mex. I'll bash them in so the track connections are safe and secure. Ta-da! It's a roller coaster track. Now everyone can play together. And I've made the trailer into a roller coaster car for the Mex. I'm actually a little bit scared of roller coasters. Well, okay then. Oh, nuts and bolts, here we go! Whee! Oh!
There you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyres should be all set. All right, mechanicals, let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby truck, wait! You mustn't go off by yourself. Baby truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers! With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it!
Cat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, Baby Truck. Grab on!
Of course! Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko. The water is rising.
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Cat.
No problema.
Oh,
Oops. Looks like the next stop is Gecko's car wash.
hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No! Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We've frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow,
Could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye!
Oh, hello everyone. It's a beach day and we're playing volleyball.
Dale, Gecko.
I got it! I don't got it.
Yellow, blue, the tide is coming in fast, so it's time to finish rock pooling now. Hurry, please. Oh no, now they're trapped.
We have to save them.
Don't panic, friends! Dandy's here to deal with the danger! Hang on, Max! Dandy's got you!
Rusty wrenches! Fiona's ladder isn't long enough to reach them!
Hold tight! I won't leave you! Dandy, dive! See? I said I got you! Stay calm, Mechanicals. We'll get you back to shore. Somehow.
The water's rising fast. We have to pick them up together or someone might get swept away.
Claro, but Helena's winch rope is not strong enough to hold everyone.
Aha! Tilly's tow cable is strong enough, though. We can run it through Helena's winch. Great idea, Tilly.
Perfecto. And we can lift everyone up in this volleyball net también.
Good thinking, Cat. We need to work fast. The tool I need is a... wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix! First, we undo these bolts to remove the cable from Tilly. Then, fit the cable onto Helena's winch and bolt it tight. Ready to rescue! Hold on! We're coming to get you!
Get ready, Max! Come on.
Way to go, Cat and Helena! Thank you for your heroism, Dandy and Cat.
I'm glad you're safe, Yellow and Blue. We can replace a bucket, but we can never replace you.
Remember, Max, always respect the sea. The tide can creep up on you.
Oh, just like that. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, Mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully.
Oh, steady. Steady.
Oh, careful, Mechanicals. We need to work together.
Oh, thanks, Green.
Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, Mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, Mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, Mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby. Nice catch, Green. Oh, well done, Cat.
Gracias, Gecko.
We're here at Cat's place for her birthday today. We got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet.
Someone needs rescuing.
Don't worry, Yellow. I just need to adjust the winch.
We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gecko?
Almost. Yes!
Another happy landing.
And happy birthday, Cat.
Gracias, amigos.
Hooray! Hurrah!
Hello, everyone. We're waiting for Grandma to arrive with some of her famous apple pie. Yum! Oh, that must be Grandma. Oh, hi, Bobby. We weren't expecting you today. Is everything okay? Wacky wipers! Let's take a look at you to find out what's wrong. Phew, that was close. Now what seems to be the problem? That's not right. Your controls are all mixed up. Let's try restarting your engine to see if that helps solve the problem. Spinning screwdrivers. This is going to be trickier than I thought, Bobby. But we'll solve it. Yowie!
just a little boo-boo. Ow! I'm so sorry, Bobby. I'll help you just as soon as I... Hello, Grandma.
Oh, my poor Gecky darling. Have you hurt yourself? Never mind. Grandma's here to help. All done, Gecky. Now you rest up.
Thanks, Grandma, but I still need to work out what's wrong with Bobby.
Look! Something must have gone haywire up there.
Oh, but I can't get onto his roof like this.
Then you'll have to talk me through the repair, Gecky.
Ah, yes, Grandma! You're the best!
I know. Now, what tools do we need? Screwdriver.
Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this.
Don't worry, little ones. Grandma is always careful. Now, what's going on here? Looks like we need a little wiring wizardry to fix Bobby's battery. Which colour wire connects where, Gecky?
Blue on the rack! Oh, Grandma can't hear me. I've got it. Blue and red! I need your help!
Oh, yes! Clever lad! Blue on the right, red on the left.
You did it! Thanks, Grandma.
You're welcome, Gecky. Now, let's all have some apple pie to celebrate.
If a job looks too hard, don't be scared. A problem halved is a problem shed. Just as a pie halved is a pie shed too, please, Red. See you next time, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Down here. We're giving Baby Truck a service to keep her happy, healthy and running smooth. And then she's staying for a sleepover. That's some bolts. This place could do with a clean-up. You want Baby Truck to stay over, don't you? Then I need a hand tidying away this mess, please. Well, okay. I'll call Mummy Truck to come and take Baby Truck home. No? Okay then. We can all help each other clear up. It won't take long if we all work together. No. Oh. Careful, you lot. Watch out for my toolbox. You're supposed to be putting things away, not creating more mess. Oh. Spinning screwdrivers. Let's calm it down before bedtime. Okay, that's enough. Everyone into bed now, please. Thank you. There, that's better. Plenty of time to play tomorrow. Night-night, everyone. Nice and calm. What? I spoke too soon. How can I get them to sleep? And what am I going to do about this mess? Just looking at it makes me feel tired. Oh. Aha! I have an idea how to get the mechs to sleep and tidy the garage. First, I need this tyre. Then a few special items I can attach to it. The tool I need is super glue. Gecko's Garage, time to fix! A dollop of glue to secure the chains, then another for every item. And ta-da! A mobile to help everyone get to sleep. Thanks for your help, Tilly. Right, you cheeky lot, into bed again. I have something to show you. It's working. The mobile is making everyone feel sleepy. And the garage is tidy too. Good night, Mex. Sweet dreams, Baby Truck. I'll just sit.
Hello, everyone. Today, the mechs are going for a flight in their flying machine.
Wow, it's even more estupendo than I remember.
Don't forget, Mechanicals. Flying is fun, but everybody has an important job to do in order to stay safe. I would come with you, Blue, but I have to change Tilly's battery today. You'll have lots of fun with Cat.
Helena and I will be right beside you the whole time.
Ready to fly? 3, 2, 1, go, go, Mechanicals! Now, let's get this battery changed. Hey, Tilly?
You're doing great, Mechanicals. Ay, Mia! The Mechanicals have broken their controls. Hola, Mechanicals. Stay calm and follow my instructions. If the joystick and cables are broken, you need to grab hold of the loose cables to steer. When you pull down on the left side, the machine will steer left. And same with the right. Now hold on tight. It will take a little longer to get home than planned.
There you are, Tilly. A brand new battery. But the mechs and Cat still aren't back. How's it going up there, Cat? Over?
We're almost home, Gecko, but the Mechanicals broke their controls.
Spinning screwdrivers! How will they land safely?
I can help them, but it's getting dark, and we can't see where to land.
Head for the garage, and I will find a way to help you get back on the ground, over and out. How can we help the mechs find us in the dark? I've got it! We can power those lights with Tilly's battery to make a runway. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. Now, if I wire these lights into Tilly's battery with my screwdriver and then turn on her engine, we have a runway to guide the mechs home.
Magnifica! Now, mechs, gently decrease your height and steer towards the runway. That's it. Nearly there.
Well done, Mechanicals! What a landing! And thank you, Cat.
No problema, cuties. Great runway, Gecko and Tilly.
By working together and staying calm, we help the mechs land without any harm. Now, I better fix that joystick right away. Goodbye, everyone. That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, you can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals. Whoa! Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it. And Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals! We've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the Mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Success, Mechanicals. Another happy customer.
Oh no! It's a disaster! Oh.
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
It's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
Huh. My Weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something. Oh, no, you clumsy clown.
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This Weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, missed a spot. It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in.
caving! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong! Mummy Truck saved the day! I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's Garage!
Please. This bolt is loose. We best get going, Tilly. We don't want to be late. Oh, no. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in...
Good morning, Mechanicals. Up bright and early for a new day's work. Blue? Nuts and bolts. I think he's sleepwalking. Wake up, Blue. A garage is not a safe place to be sleepwalking. Blue? 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 Spinning screwdrivers, Mechanicals. This door is really stuck. Was that you, Tilly? Look! It's Trevor the tractor. Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mex, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. Strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, friends! Hooray! Great job, team! See you again soon, Trevor. Bye!
Oh, hello everyone. I'm taking a break because it's important to look after ourselves. The next game is about looking after each other too.
Oh, hi! Nice to see you too, Max.
Hey Dandy. Hi Fiona. How are you?
Oh, Gecko! Fiona's siren doesn't sound right, and her lights aren't shining bright like usual. She just doesn't seem herself.
Hey, it's okay, pal. I'll see what we can do for Fiona right away. Come on, Mex. Let's get to work. How about a quick checkup, Fiona? Don't panic, Green. It's just a test. Dandy's right. Fiona's lights and siren are very flat.
It's all right, Green. There's no emergency. Gecko's just trying to find out what's wrong with Fiona. Oh, thank you. I'm just a bit worried about Fiona. But it'll be okay. Oh, I appreciate you looking out for me, buddy. I feel better already.
Let's take a look at your battery, Fiona. Full power. No problem here. And the fuses are all working too. I can't see anything wrong. Whatever it is, don't worry, Fiona. We've got you.
How's the fix going, Gecko? Which tool do you need? Gecko's Garage, time to fix!
We don't even need a tool today.
But then what's wrong with Fiona?
I've checked, Fiona, and I can't find anything wrong on the outside. But that's fine, because we can't always see a problem, especially if it's a feeling on the inside. Fiona is just a little down today.
Oh, poor Fiona. I didn't know.
It's okay, Dandy. Even heroes like Fiona can have bad days. Just remember that sad feelings pass. And then Fiona's lights and sirens will be back. So we don't need a fix today. We just need friends.
I'm always here for you, Fiona. Oh, emergency! But do you feel ready, Fiona? Let's go, Fiona! Thanks, Gecko!
You're welcome, friends! Remember, Mex, you never know how someone may be feeling, so always try to be kind. Thanks, Green. Goodbye, everyone.